Lab number 62, quantifying energy. We're looking at today how the ice cubes absorb thermal energy, which causes ice to melt. Things that we want to remember is that conduction is from hot to cold. So again, when you're trying to cool your drink, the energy is transferred from the hot drink into the cold ice, okay? When the liquid water is transferred to the ice through heating, this is causing your ice to melt, and it's causing a phase change from a solid to a liquid, okay? Also, the amount of energy that is absorbed while the ice is melting is also equal to the thermal energy that the water released, okay? So this can be quantified by measuring the temperature change of the water, then using it to calculate the energy the water lost. The energy the water released instead of lost. This is a kind of a misprint in the book. Okay, so what we're going to do today is, the first thing we're going to do is we have 100 milliliters of water in our graduated cylinder. Okay, 100 milliliters. So basically what we need to know is that for every 1 gram, so 1 milliliter water equals 1 gram. So we're going to remember that here in a second. So I have 100 milliliters of water in my graduated cylinder, so it weighs 100 grams, okay? So I'm gonna pour my...
Adriana Pavone, if you're in the building, would you please get your things together and come down to the lobby? Your dad's here to pick you up.
Pour my warm...
Adriana Pavone.
Put my warm water into the cup, and I'm gonna measure this in Celsius. And right now we're looking at our initial temperature is about 62 degrees Celsius. So this is our initial temperature, 62 degrees Celsius, okay? What we're gonna do then is I'm gonna take a piece of ice. I'm gonna place it, I'm gonna make sure all the water is dropped off. I'm gonna place it in the cup and I'm gonna stir it gently. As soon as all the ice is melted, we have transferred all the energy. Okay, so no more ice, and now I'm gonna take the final temperature of the water, which is about 53 degrees Celsius. So the temperature change is the initial temperature, which is 62 degrees Celsius, minus the final temperature, which is 53 degrees Celsius, which equals 11 or 9 degrees Celsius. Okay, my bad. It's been a long day on Friday here. So 9 degrees Celsius. So the energy release is the temperature change of the water, which is 9 degrees Celsius, times the mass of the water. Remember, the mass of the water is up here, that we're using 1 milliliter of water, so we use 100 milliliters of water, so the weight is going to be 100 grams. So 1 milliliter of water is 1 gram, so 100 milliliters is 100 grams. So we're gonna put the mass of the water is 100 grams. So basically here we have 9 times 100, which is 900 degrees Celsius grams of energy was released from the ice melting. Okay, we are going to use this later on when we talk about our next lab, which we are going to talk about big C calories and little c calories. Okay.